Consider a cycle followed by an engine. 1 to 2 is isothermal, 2 to 3 is adiabatic, and 3 to 1 is also adiabatic. Such a process does not exist because heat is completely converted into mechanical energy in such a process, which is not possible. If we look at the cycle 1, 2, 3, 1, the work done by the and for a cyclic process, change in internal energy is 0. Delta U is 0. So from first law of thermodynamics, delta Q is going to be delta W. So this implies that all the heat which is given to the system is getting converted into the work done by the system. This is not possible because according to second law of thermodynamics, the efficiency of any system cannot be equal to 1. So option A is the correct justification for why this process do not exist. So option A is correct. Let's look at option B. Mechanical energy is completely converted to heat in this process, which is not possible. In this process, heat is getting converted into mechanical energy, but not mechanical energy is converting into heat. So option B is wrong. Option C. Curves representing two adiabatic processes do not intersect. In a cycle, there are two adiabatic processes, path 2 to 3 and path 3 to 1. And these two adiabatic processes are intersecting at point 3. The equation of state for adiabatic process is given by PV power gamma is constant. And when we plot adiabats on PV diagram, all the adiabatic processes are going to be parallel to each other. But in this case, 2 to 3 is adiabatic and 3 to 1 is also adiabatic, and they are intersecting at state 3, which is not possible. So we can conclude that 3 to 1 is not going to be an adiabatic process. So option C is the correct justification for why this kind of engine cannot be possible. Let's look at option D. Curves representing an adiabatic process and an isothermal process do not intersect. This statement itself is wrong because the isothermal equation of state is given by P into V is constant. Whereas for adiabatic, as we have seen, it is PV power gamma is constant, and this is for adiabatic. As both the equations of state are different, these curves are not going to be parallel, and it is possible that they are going to intersect. So option D is not the correct justification for why this kind of engine is not possible. So the correct answers are option A and option C.